Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is prepare both devices. Make sure you have iOS 15 or later in your iPhone and then Android 12 or later on your Android phone. Both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and both should have sufficient battery. Then you want to simply go ahead and put the Android device on factory reset or make sure that it is just new. Then you want to simply go ahead and install this application, which is Move to Android app. Once you simply go ahead and do so, you can click on start and then you can literally copy data by just scanning the QR code. It is as simple as that. Or you could also do it from the WhatsApp directly by going into settings, into chats, and then transfer to Android. It is going to be the same process. You will need to scan the QR from your new phone to your old phone, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.